is Krish Verma. I am currently a college student. I'm studying in Japan, and I chose to do my digital marketing from Digital Vidya in order to upskill myself. So as for my journey through Digital Vidya has been good. The trainers were really good at teaching the course taught, and I even did some internships via digital marketing. So I got to know how to use those tools in general. Yeah, so at first I just wanted to upskill myself, and I looked like what kind of skills would be required for my degree. So I searched that there was digital marketing in Google. And so I searched for digital marketing courses in Google, and Digital Vidya came out to be at the top. And I checked the reviews on Quora and all, and so I decided to go with it. And also had a demo class as well. I think Google Ads and Google Analytics were pretty useful for me. In like, if I want to work in a business, these tools would be really useful for me in the future, and I would be able to use these skills because I've been taught very instructors. As for now, I've completed all of my certifications, like most of them, and I've also read certification of common. And I'm glad that I've been able to finish the course. So my suggestion to those who aspire digital marketing would be that digital marketing is a really growing industry, and I can see that there are a lot of high paying jobs and there's a really high scope. So if you're really interested in pursuing digital marketing course, Digital Vidya is a way for you that can help you through it.